Hello, welcome to the session on HTML tutorial. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to write HTML code in sequence wise, when you want to create a simple HTML page for the first time, then what tags are given in them and what is their importance, such as where to use title and header section and what is the use of body tags, etc. I will tell you about all those tags and I will show you how to create simple HTML page. But before starting, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more update technology videos. So let's get started. First of all, you need text editor software for writing HTML code, such as Notepad++ and Visual Studio Code, etc. You can use any text editor software. There are many software available on the internet. Not only that, you can also use Notepad, which is by default in your Windows, but I use Visual Studio Code because it is very convenient and make it easy to use for writing HTML code. So that's why I personally recommend you use Visual Studio Code. If you do not have Visual Studio Code software, you don't know how to download and install, I will give a link in the description below and you can watch from there. So let's create a simple HTML page. For that we have to first open Visual Studio Code. Here you can see on the left hand side Explorer. Click here. Now let's create a first folder. Click on open folder. I will create a new folder on the desktop. Okay. Now click on new file and create index.html. So first type here HTML. See, Visual Studio Code provides autocomplete our code. With the help of autocomplete, it's a very convenient and make it easy to use for writing HTML code. So let's simply select HTML5. As you can see, we immediately created our HTML code, right? If we talk about other text editor software, then it takes a lot of time to write this code, right? So that's why I use Visual Studio Code only, which saves time and makes it easier to write the code. So let us know a little bit about the text that I have used here. So let's first talk about doc type. Why we use doc type here? Doc type, it defines the document type or it instructs the browser about the version of HTML. It describes what version of HTML the page was written in so that browser can interpret the text that follows. I am using HTML5. The question must be arising in your mind that how will browser know which version is being used here? It's a very simple to know about the version of HTML. In the previous version HTML4, doc type declaration is too longer, like doc type HTML blah blah. But in HTML5, doc type declaration is very simple, like doc type HTML. Okay, so in this way the browser will easily know which version of HTML is being used here. And the most important is that HTML5 offers a new elements for the better structure, like header, footer, nav, audio, video, etc. Now let's move on to HTML. HTML. This tag informs the browser that it is an HTML document. Head section. It contains the meta information about the HTML page, such as title, cassette, and CSS file, etc. If we have CSS file and jQuery file and you want to link that file in your HTML page, then you have to define that link file inside header section. So this is a very important, the header section in HTML page, because here we define the jQuery and JavaScript and CSS file and other, etc. Now title. It is used to add title of that HTML page which appears the top of the browser windows. It must be placed inside head tag. Body tag. This tag contains the main content of the HTML document. In body tag we display the main content of the HTML page. So let's write something in the body section. H1. This tag describes the headings of the web page. Headings have 6 labels in HTML. They range from H1 to H6, where H1 is the highest level heading and H6 is the lowest one. P tag. This tag describes the paragraph of the web page. Let's first save and run them and see how the page is displayed in the browser. Ctrl+S, save. Right click on index.html. You can also use live server, but I will tell you about it later. For the moment, I will show you in a very simple way to run. Okay, so click on reveal in file explorer and now double click. See, my first HTML page is look like this. Welcome to Dawa CIT. Welcome to my new YouTube channel iTech Universe. Next, I will tell you about many more HTML tags. That's all today. I will catch you with another new video. Till then, keep watching Dawa CIT. Thank you so much for watching.